We just had the front license plate of our car stolen, and it has been a terrible experience, as the moment you have one plate stolen, the other one has to be reported as stolen, so you have to get all new plates no matter what. And so while we're waiting for new plates and dealing with everything else that is impacted by the plates on our car changed, I went ahead and got these security screws to make sure this never happens again. Let's get into it. Now the main piece is this screw right here. It has a very unique opening, as you can see, which is pretty much only circular. So if you don't have the right tool, it's going to be really, really hard to take this off the car. So this is going to do a remarkably good job of preventing our plates from being stolen again. Just make sure you hold on to this special hex, as this is the only way to get these screws on and off, and it works really well. It definitely fits in there. It gives you all of the torque you need to get this on really tightly. And not only do these have this smart design that's really hard to steal, but they are 100% stainless steel with a coating, so they will not oxidize or rust. They are made to last. And then for backing, you actually have two options here. You have your standard bolts, or you have these special fastener nuts, so you can choose which one you want to use to hold it in place. Keep in mind that this is easier to deal with as a thief, but it is also very inaccessible. It also comes with the drill bit, so you can use this with your power drill, which I think is a fantastic feature, both to have to install and as a backup in case you ever lose one of these. It's nice that you have two. And then it comes with these caps, which not only can make it look better and protect the bolt, but are another theft deterrent. Just make sure that you put the bolt through there first, and then you can pop this cap right on that, and it'll pop on and stay in place. And finally, it comes with these rubber-backed foam cushions. These help reduce any noise or scratching of your car between your car and your license plate. Really thoughtful addition. Overall, I am really quite impressed with these. I know they're going to work great on our car. They're not only going to look good and last forever and still be easy enough for us to take on and off when we need to, but they will definitely deter the thieves, which is really what I'm looking for here. And one more thing, if you are truly serious about preventing your license plates from being stolen without going to extreme measures like stripping the screws so they can't come out ever without being cut out, I would recommend going with another type of screw and mixing up the screws on your plates. We are going to get one other type that is a completely different screw type. So we will have those on our plates, and then I'm going to use these exact same caps on all of them, so it'll look completely uniform. But if a thief got past these, they'll see that not only are the screws anti-theft, but they're two different types. I hope that helps.